Hello children, last time I taught you this thing now. So last we have done this stripling. Today we are going to do hatching and cross hatching. Okay, so let's start. So today we are going to draw an object, okay, with the hatching and cross hatching. So let's start with the pencil, and today we are going to draw lots of rocks, okay. See, you can able to see any shape you can give it. See, you can able to see the pencil mark. Okay, now you have to take your white pen or glass pencil. I will show you with the both. Okay, so after this you have to erase it very lightly. See, after erasing it, you have to do outline. See, we're done with the outline. Now in some area we will do like very dark due to hatching. Okay, see, I'm giving only the lines. Same from here. Okay, now here cross hatching. See, lightly, we are not doing as dark. Okay, like some area like this and like this. You can do dark also in some areas light. The outline we can do more bold. See, like this cross hatching we have to do in all of this. Okay, so somewhere light, somewhere dark, and all lines should be given boldly. Okay, then only our stones will be highlighted. See, you understand, like this we have to give in all of our stones. Okay, see children, we done our cross hatching and hatching. See, in this I done it here more dark. Okay, in this stone I have done here and here dark. Okay, now see here two like a straight line I given, that we have done here, and hatchings, light hatchings I have given here. Okay, now in this stone I given the center, because see, don't give, if you are doing sides here, to do center part of this stone. Okay, see, here is the side I have done, so I have done, because you will mix, you will also do in this corner na, so both will be same and it will be not look as good. Okay, so some areas do it very dark. It see, in this part also I have done there. At down, what we will do? We will do very lightly. See how? Like a big lines. According to the stone, that what direction it is going, automatically it will become in hatching. Now straight lines. See, it's looking nice now, like a bunch of the rocks. Okay, try something different shape. Those who don't see, in this you can draw bunch of the shapes like triangle or anything, or you can draw like a triangles also. Like you have to draw this pen sheet now with the hatching. It should be like object in the bunch. Okay, in the group, not a single object. Single object we have done previous classes. We have done the tree with the stripling. So today is our hatching and cross hatching. So try to make something in the group, like a composition. Okay, thank you. Now that same stone picture that we done with the white pen, that same we will do with the glass pencil. Those children don't have that white pen, they are using this glass pencil. This is for them. Okay, same we have drawn first this with the pencil. Now we will erase it very lightly. See, we erase it and we will give very bold outline with this glass pencil. See, we given the bold outline. Now what you have to do, see, same we will give lines. Darkly. Okay, from here also. Now Now what you have to do, see, from the back side of the pencil you have to hold it, and like this you have to give light lines. Okay, like from different directions. This part is our light. Okay, now if we have to do some part is very dark, so like this you can do it dark. Okay, like this you have to do in all. Okay, see children, same I told you in the pen work also. If we are doing dark here, so we will not do from this line. Okay, we will do very separately. See, dark, light, dark, like the combination we will do it. Okay, see, we done it, and down same, very lightly we will do it. According to the shape, what shape the rocks are there. Understood? This work with the glass pencil. Okay.